The legal disclaimer ensures transparency about recipe sources and viewer responsibility. A versatile and easy Vietnamese omelette folded through with sweet-cooked crab meat, fragrant shallots, and spring onion, all bound by eggs seasoned with fish sauce and black pepper. The fish sauce acts as the salt of the East. It deepens the egg's savory edge without overpowering the delicate sweetness of the crab. Shallots are sweated first to build an aromatic base, then the crab meat is warmed through, combined with the beaten egg mixture, and pan-fried until the surface is crispy and light golden brown on both sides. Garnished with fresh coriander sprigs and served immediately, this dish comes together in under 15 minutes and works equally well as a quick dinner, a brunch centerpiece, or a light lunch over steamed rice. The Grantourismo cross-reference notes that Vietnamese omelettes are traditionally thinner than their Thai or French counterparts, letting the crab, not the egg casing, be the star. As the PDF itself suggests, you may also substitute cooked ground or minced pork for the crab, or fold in cut-up ripe tomatoes for a brighter variation. Main ingredients: oil, 3 tablespoons. Shallots, minced, 3 cooked crab meat, 1 cup. Eggs beaten, 4 fish sauce, 2 teaspoons. Spring onion, sliced, 1. Freshly ground black pepper, 1/4 teaspoon. Garnish: sprigs of coriander leaves to garnish, as desired. Here are the written ingredient list. Preparation steps: 1. Mince the shallots, peel and finely mince 3 shallots, set aside. 2. Slice the spring onion, trim the root end and any wilted green tops, then slice 1 spring onion thinly on the diagonal, set aside. Prepare the crab meat, flake 1 cup of cooked crab meat, checking for and removing any shell fragments, set aside. 4. Beat the eggs, crack 4 eggs into a bowl and beat until the yolks and whites are fully combined. Measure the seasonings, measure out 2 teaspoons of fish sauce and 1/4 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper. Have 3 tablespoons of oil ready, divided for 2 stages of cooking. 6. Prepare the garnish, wash and pat dry a few sprigs of coriander leaves. Set aside for finishing. Cooking steps: 1. Sweat the shallots, heat 1 tablespoon of the oil in a wok or skillet over medium heat. Add the minced shallots and stir-fry for 1 to 2 minutes until fragrant and translucent. Warm the crab meat, add the cooked crab meat to the shallots, mix well to combine, and transfer the entire mixture to a mixing bowl. 3. Combine the egg mixture, add the beaten eggs, fish sauce, sliced spring onion, and black pepper to the crab meat mixture. Mix well so the seasonings and aromatics are evenly distributed through the eggs. 4. Pan-fry the omelette, heat the remaining 2 tablespoons of oil in the same wok or skillet over medium heat. When the pan is hot, pour in the egg mixture and cook for 2 to 3 minutes until the underside is crispy and light golden brown. 5. Flip and finish, carefully flip the omelette over and pan-fry the other side in the same manner until golden and just set. Remove the omelette from the pan with a wide spatula. 6. Garnish and serve. Transfer the omelette to a serving platter, garnish with coriander leaf sprigs, and serve immediately.